In this current event, I've chosen to talk about LaMelo Ball and LiAngelo Ball playing their first game in the Overseas League. Last year, they both signed contracts with the teams and were ready to play when it was time for them to play. After the game, they totaled 29 points combined. This was LaMelo's and LiAngelo's first overseas game after dropping out of their schools. In Priena, Lithuania, in a gym that was packed and only held 1,500 people, LaMelo and LiAngelo Ball played their first game overseas. Watching from the sideline was their father and mother. The 19-year-old LiAngelo scored 19 points after the game had finished. The first half he shot 2 for 9, but was ready in the second half, finishing 9 for 18. His 16-year-old brother LaMelo scored 10 points and was 4 for 10 in field goals. He had 9 assists to go along with 6 turnovers, and many of the assists were no-look passes. The playing time for both brothers for the next game will be unclear because it counts in the standings. In conclusion, LiAngelo and LaMelo Ball played their first game overseas and had 29 points combined. Their parents were sitting on the sideline in a jam-packed gym. LiAngelo had 19 points and LaMelo had 10 with 9 assists. That was LiAngelo and LaMelo's Ball first game overseas. And I got all my information from ESPN.